this session we will discuss about what are the various programming rules and basic programs. Okay, what are the programming rules? Okay, what are the programming rules? The first one, all letters should be in lowercase. Okay, what is the first one? All letters should be in lowercase. Okay, what is the second one? Every C program start and end with main function. Okay, every C program start and end with main function. Start and end with main function. Okay, what is the third one? Every statement should be end with semicolon. Every statement should be end with semicolon. Okay, what is the fourth one? Open and closed braces should be balanced. Okay, what is the fourth one? Open and closed braces should be balanced. Okay, now we discuss some basic programs. Okay, the first one, write a program to print your name. Okay, write a program to print your name. First one, what is the mandatory fields? Header files as include stdio.h, as include conio.h. Okay, what is the next? Compulsory function in structure of C. Main, void main. Okay, write a program to print your name. Okay, printf Prasanth. Okay friends, okay, let's see the output. Okay friends, let's see the output of write a program to print your name. Okay, let's see the output. Prasanth here. Okay, next one, write a program to print your name and your crush name. Write a program to print your name and your crush name. Okay friends, look here. Okay, as include stdio.h, as include conio.h. Okay, next one, void main. Next one, printf Prasanth. Okay, next, your crush name. Printf I don't have any crush, so I leave it blank. If you have any crush, then mention it. Okay friends, let's see the output. Write a program to print your name and your crush name. Because I don't have any crush, so it mentions like XXX. Choose the output. So friends, let's see the output. Prasanth and XXX. Look here, the output will merge. So in these cases we have mentioned new line. /n means it takes new line. Now see the output. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, next one, Write a program to print one integer value. Write a program to print one integer value. Okay, look here. As include stdio.h, as include conio.h. Okay, next one, void main, next printf okay, next one, same thing. Write a program to initialize and print one integer value. Okay friends, listen carefully. Write a program to initialize and print one integer value. Okay, look here. As include stdio.h, as include conio.h, void main, to initialize one integer value and print integer value. A is equal to 10, printf %d a. Okay friends, let's see the output. Write a program to print one integer value. Okay, look here friends, 10 is the output. Okay friends, look here. Write a program to print and initialize one integer value. Okay friend, write a program to print and initialize one integer value. Okay, let's see the output. Okay, this is the output, how to initialize integer and print the integer value. Okay, now write a program to read and print one integer, one float, one string value. Okay, listen carefully friends. Okay, first, as include stdio.h, as include conio.h. Okay, next, void main. Okay, to read and print one integer, one float and one string. Okay, first to initialize int. Okay, next float b, next string c. For strings we should mention size also. Okay, printf enter a integer value. This is the message for user. Okay, what is the input function? Scanf. What is the format specifier for integer? %d and address of a. Okay, the value will be stored in the a. What is the next? Float. Printf enter a float value. Okay, what What is input function? Scanf. What is the format specifier for float? %f. And address of B. The corresponding value will be stored in B. Okay. The next. Enter a string. Enter a string. Okay. Scanf. What is the format specifier for string? It's nothing but %s and address of C. Okay. The corresponding value will be stored in C. Okay. What is the output function? Printf. Printf format specifiers. The first one is integer %a, second one float %f, third one string %s, comma a, comma b, comma c. Okay. Now see the output. Okay friends, this is the example of one integer value, one float value, one string value. Okay, let's see the output. Okay, enter a integer value, for example 10. Enter a float value, for example 20.03. Enter a string Prasanth. Okay, here see the output. Integer value 10 and float value 20.299999 and string Prasanth. Okay, you see that we entered 20.3 but the output is 20.299999. Okay, what is the logic is? Okay, we should mention how many digits are required. Okay, now we see we entered 0.2. Okay, now see 10, the float value 20.030, string Prasanth. Now see the output. Okay, 10, 20.30 and Prasanth. Okay, let's see the another magic. Now 0.3. Okay, let's see the output. Enter a integer value 10, 20.369 and string. Okay, let's see the output. 10, 20.369 and Prasanth. Okay, understand? Okay. Here we can declare the number, how many decimal points we required. Okay friends, here we can declare the number, how many decimal points we required. Okay. Okay friends, the next concept will be coming into the next video. Please watch the channel and do subscribe for more videos and other computer courses. Keep supporting us.